Last year, Nikon released the Z50 II. This is what I think of the bird autofocus after a couple of months of use. I used the Nikon PF 300mm f4 with the FTZ adapter. Bird tracking works great in open area. But when there is more action, like here, in the viewfinder, the camera was tracking the bird eye, but clearly it did front focus. You can see here it lost the bird for a moment and got it back, which is good. My conclusion is most of the time the bird AF works great, and so far I'm happy.